In the heart of the greenleaf jungle, many animals lived peacefully, but they rarely talked to each other. The deer played with their own kind, the monkeys stayed in the trees, the elephants moved in their big herds, and the birds chirped from above, not bothering with anyone else. Life was calm but distant. One day, a fierce pack of wild wolves entered the jungle. These wolves were strong, hungry, and clever. They hunted the smaller animals at night and frightened everyone during the day. The jungle that was once full of joy and peace now echoed with fear and silence. A small rabbit named Coco was the first to realize that something had to change. He could no longer sleep peacefully at night. So, he called a meeting near the big banyan tree. At first, many animals were unsure if they should come. "What can a rabbit do?" whispered a fox. But soon, one by one, animals started to gather. Monkeys, deer, birds, elephants, squirrels, and even a few brave tigers joined the meeting. Coco stood up and said, "We can only save ourselves if we work together. Alone, we are weak, but united, we are strong." The wise old elephant, Grandpa Tusk, nodded and added, "If each animal plays its part, we can protect each other and drive the wolves away." The animals discussed a plan. The monkeys would be lookouts from the treetops. Birds would carry messages quickly. Elephants would guard the jungle paths. Deer and rabbits would dig safe tunnels and hiding spots. Even the snakes offered to make traps. That night, when the wolves came to attack, they were surprised. Monkeys screamed from the trees, warning the others. Birds flew fast to spread the alarm. As the wolves moved deeper, they stepped into pits hidden with leaves and vines. Elephants blocked their path, trumpeting loudly. Some wolves ran into sticky mud traps made by the beavers and frogs. The wolves were confused and scared. They had never seen animals working like this before. The jungle echoed with teamwork and courage. After 2 days of failed attacks, the wolves gave up and left the jungle, never to return. All the animals cheered together. The jungle was peaceful once again, but something had changed this time, for the better. The animals began to greet each other every morning. They played together, helped each other find food, and even celebrated festivals under the stars. The jungle was not just safe, it was now a home of true friendship. After that day, the animals promised never to stay apart again. They taught their young ones the value of unity, kindness, and courage. No matter how different they looked or lived, they were one big family now. And whenever danger came, they knew they would face it side by side. Unity is strength. When friends stand together with trust and kindness, no danger is too big to face.